little stained up,
Yeah.
but take 40 for him. Welcome to Picking and Punching, and today we're at the Webster Flea Market. We're gonna actually walk around trying to find some items that we can buy for cheap to flip online. I got my dad with me again. He's looking for some old signs to take back to Pennsylvania, and I'm just trying to find items to make some profits on. So let's go.
We're all ready.
Oh, that's cool. It's really cool.
$30.
What's that?
It's $30.
Wait a minute. It's 30. No, you get. What do I got on it? 30. Yeah, 30.
$30.
That's what I'm asking. Remember, Keith?
Remember.
Talk to me.
Talk to me. Okay.
I have one of those, RJ.
I like the Liberty Bell. What's that?
Banks came out. I had one of those.
That's cool.
Penny shoots right now.
I love the old tin. Yeah.
That's right. I was at the yard sale. Yeah, that one.
I know, that was cool.
These are all. Everything here is old. None of it's reproduction.
How much is the Santa?
That's 25. Do 50 on them. It's got the original box.
Yeah, see that.
I got a few toys with boxes.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Boxes sometimes are worth more than toys. It's probably from the late 50s, early 60s in there.
I love stuff when it comes with the original box.
Yeah, you don't find them. This is a real super nice piece right here. You've got tissue on it still.
Yeah, the police car. Wow.
Yeah. When it moves, you see the
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. The
machine gun on
yeah.
the top. Yeah.
That's pretty cool. 250. Yeah.
That's
I love the cowboy horse one too.
Sir. Thank you. Thank you.
That one's cool too.
Yeah.
Car's in great condition. You see the machine gun on the front of it?
I do have some room. I mean, I've been collecting these toys for a long time. I sold quite a few over the years.
There. I'm Groot.
No. Hey, bye.
I sold all. There's a pack of pogs here. They don't really.
What?
This.
The Pogs? No, not really.
Take 3 a piece on those.
Yeah.
Records are 3 a piece in there.
Some of them different records.
I know some people like to have a cover.
Not me.
It doesn't have a record or box.
Not me.
All the tapes are half of what they say on it.
Yeah. If anyone here has sold vintage marbles in the past, let me know down in the comments below. What do you look out for? How do you tell if they're valuable or not? Because I have no idea. An 80.
I don't know. I seen that. I don't know if it's a real one, but mine. That's neat.
Yeah, it's cool. What do you ask on your sign? $5. $5? Oh, this phone's cool looking. 2001. Yeah, buy it. It's $5. Oh, that's cool.
Mr. Trump, if you like anything, let me know.
How much is that sign?
65.
65.
Yeah. This one here.
This one.
Piamo.
Take care.
Does the clock work? Or,
I am
test it.
unsure of that. We had it on our wall in our office, but we never plugged it in. There's like electrical bugs, but they're not here. Yeah, there should be some good ones in there.
Yeah.
Alright, that's really, really bad. They were right in front of my face. I completely forgot where I put them.
Got 6. Do you have a bag?
Hopefully.
You had $2.50 each, and then you said if you buy 2 DVDs for $4.
Okay.
So there's 6.
Alright.
Let's see. I'm trying to find some information on the sign. You have any idea the year or anything on it?
No, it's definitely older.
Yeah, it's.
Looks like it's from the 70s, but
I see
it
the
could
plug.
be older
Yeah,
than
the
that.
plug's
It's a
definitely older.
70s
Yeah.
plug. Where's that?
It seems really loose. I don't know if it's gonna work.
You have to tighten it
The
up.
insert
Yeah.
was replaced.
Is-
here, too.
is it
That
missing?
was new, it's just like an insert.
Do you mind if I come around and take a look at it?
No, not at all. Take a look as much as you want.
Are these yours too?
No, those
Oh,
are
okay.
theirs. They've got some good ones in there.
Yeah. Definitely cool.
It's a neat wall hanger.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I was
That's
looking
how, I mean, we had all these up in our office, so.
Yeah.
And this one was with like all mid-century. It had the orange sofa, the pool table with it.
Yeah.
What do you want to pay for it?
Well, I'm gonna
That's
be
it.
bundled up with that other stuff.
you-
Maybe I'll charge. What she wanted? 65.
Yeah.
I thought I managed to take
That's
50 for a
the
pair.
French horn and marching band. If you did that, anybody would take you to almost any
and then we
college
got-
too for scholarship.
Yeah, what?
It's just, yeah, there's something.
You got something else?
No, I got 6 in there, so that's 12.
And the belt on marching band.
That'd be 65 cents. 85.
No, it wouldn't be. It'd be 5. That'd be 65.
Oh, and
This
then
is
you got
65,
academic. I'd have to see a
70.
penny. He has no student loan, but he's a doctor now.
Let's see.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
I mean,
Now he's paying off his student loans for that.
I don't know if that works. And this ain't a.
Would
Now he's working 80 hours a week.
you had 5 in that?
Yeah.
And you had 65 on that?
Yeah.
If I pay full price of these, would you 50 for the pair?
I think I would get yelled at by somebody wearing a great Fanta shirt on if I did that. Let me call him and
Okay.
ask him. Most likely no, but you never know if
Okay.
he's in a good mood. Hey honey, you close by? Okay. How far away are you? How much would you do on the Tiamo clock? What's the lowest you go on that? Okay. Alright. Thanks. Bye. He says he'll go 50. So if you do 55,
All right.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
and then you can do 10 on that. So 65.
Okay. 65? Yep, I got it
See
here.
you easier.
There you go. Thanks for working with us.
Oh, no problem.
It's 50,
I mean, we buy
There's
mainly,
60.
so.
65.
I can't take too much big stuff going back to Pennsylvania.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I think it is.
It's I think a newer one, but yeah. Yeah, over there. Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's new.
$2.
Yeah.
That is Star Wars.
How much are your DVDs?
$2 a piece. Box sets. I think they're. I'm gonna check them. Make sure I didn't check them when I bought them. Make sure they're all in there if you're interested in them. So they should be.
How cute is that? We're never gonna make it home by June.
You have any more wrestling stuff?
Just this toothbrush.
Yeah.
Toothbrush. Theme song toothbrush. We got $2 on it, I think. 3, 2, that should be good.
You have 12. Would you take 10 for the lot?
10 sounds good.
All right.
Let me get the bag.
Yeah. Thank you. Would say you break it, you bought it, but it's your own. It's your own item. Haven't bought it yet.
Thank you very much.
Those are the older ones, man.
Mm-hmm. How much are they?
3 piece.
3 piece.
Yeah. Can't beat that. There's Coca-Cola ones all the way at the bottom as well.
That Felicia flea market's on every Wednesday, but that's the same thing. You're supposed to get there early. I got there at 1:30 and stuff was still out and everything.
What do you got in the Simpsons?
20 for all of them.
20 for all of them? Let's see, beat up. Yeah. All right. How much you have in the Ouija board?
That's fine.
All right.
I live out of the van, so half that stuff is mine. I'm traveling. I'm going to be going out west. There you go. Right from.
Would you do 3 in the board?
I'll do
4?
4.
All right, I'll do give you 4.
Okay. Looking over here, and I just ate a burger, so I'm affecting my brain there.
Got a dollar on you?
Yep, I do. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They look cool.
They're
They're
for the king's cake. Do you know about that?
No idea.
Oh, so in New Orleans they bake a cake and they put one baby in the whole cake, and if you cut the piece with the cake,
Yep.
with the baby, then you have
twins.
my dad was an identical twin.
What's going on?
I know, man. The head's coming off.
Remember the old Sambo restaurants?
Yep.
You couldn't call it Sambo today.
No, you can't do that anymore.
$5 on stretch.
That's cool.
Be pretty cool, huh?
Yeah. Just wish
Mini stretch, I should say. Oh.
It's wish his paint wasn't coming off.
Yeah,
Would
remember the
have
big
picked him up.
ones?
Yep. What do you have on this guy?
I'll take $50, Mr. Magoo.
Mr. Magoo, General, is that?
General Electric, yeah.
Huh. That's really cool.
Yeah, you know, I mean, I don't care if it's selling or not. He's such a draw.
Yeah, like,
It's Mr. Magoo, look.
do you know how old it is by any chance?
Huh?
Do you know how old it is?
It's gotta be 60s,
If
maybe
I-
even 50s.
See if I can take a picture of it, see if I get any info on it.
It's a couple $100 online.
Yeah, it's a cool piece. I'm trying to find more of that's the year. Looks like 60s.
Yeah, early 60s.
Yeah.
$200 on
I don't know if you can read that. There's some writing on it.
1967.
67. Okay.
Damage.
Yeah, it's cool. Got a stain and stuff.
Yeah.
The thing
A
is.
little stained up,
Hey, how
but
you doing?
take 40 for him?
Sure thing.
All right. I'll give you 40.
He needs a bath.
Yeah, clean them up. The locks.
You got change for 100?
Sure do.
This thing's cool.
I'll change for 100 by now. I'm in trouble. Trust me.
It is neat.
Yeah.
Gee.
Here's the thing, I was like, don't want to spend 50, 40, 50 bucks on it, but then I was like, when else am I gonna come across one of these? So,
Yeah, that's the thing. It's
yeah.
a draw.
It's a draw.
Put it down.
How much do you have in your beer taps?
I do $8 a piece or 3 for $20. I give you $300. It's got a crack in it, but it's, you know, it's expensive product. It's a cam, 2.
2? Oh. Okay.
$200. 1903.
What?
This one is 5.
It says drink,
Yeah,
chocolate,
this was
soap,
10. These are all $20 and up.
Okay, I think it's a pretty rare one. You wanted 300, there's a crack in it for different. I never seen one like that.
No, I've never seen that either.
Yeah, if you know, when you light it up, it looks fantastic.
Yeah.
They do sell the repro piece inside,
Yeah.
but it's going to be repro.
Yeah. Takes away the whole value then.
Yeah, it is. Right.
How old is that?
I forget.
60s, 70s? 70s maybe?
Yeah. You can look it up. It's, yeah, I know this is legit, and I know they do make the repros.
Yeah.
Let's see what we got here.
Yeah.
That's what I have in that.
Yeah.